Hello, space enthusiasts. Today, we're going to talk about the extraordinary achievement of a 46-year-old spacecraft. NASA's Voyager 1 has returned to its scientific operations after a major glitch in November that paused its mission for months. Voyager 1, humanity's farthest and longest operating spacecraft, continues to explore interstellar space. NASA's ability to maintain this old spacecraft at such a vast distance is a testament to perseverance and creativity. Voyager 1's two instruments are back in action, sending usable scientific data once again. NASA announced on May 22nd the mission's science instrument teams are now determining steps to recalibrate the remaining two instruments, likely to occur in the coming weeks. This success marks significant progress toward returning the spacecraft to normal operations. Voyager 1 is in uncharted territory, both in terms of location and age. The probe is 15 billion miles from home. A message from Earth takes more than 22.5 hours to reach the spacecraft, and just as long to get a reply, meaning troubleshooting operates in slow motion. Voyager 1 and its twin, Voyager 2, were launched in 1977, and Voyager 1 became the first human-made object to enter interstellar space in 2012. Voyager 2 followed this cosmic step in 2018. Voyager 1's plasma wave subsystem and magnetometer are sending usable data. The team is still working on repairing the cosmic ray subsystem and low-energy charged particle instrument, which could take weeks. The Voyager 1 team tweeted, "It's like when your power goes out and you have to go around the house resetting all your electronics. Essentially, that's what my team and I are doing right now." The return of Voyager 1 to scientific operations has been a gradual process. In late November, it began sending corrupted data, and identifying the source of the glitch took time. NASA stated, the team eventually determined the issue was caused by a small portion of corrupted memory in the flight data subsystem, one of the spacecraft's 3 computers. Among other things, this system is designed to package data from the science instruments and engineering data about the spacecraft's health and status before sending it to Earth. After pinpointing the source, the team began reworking Voyager 1's code. By late April, the research started making sense again. Bringing the two instruments back online marks a significant milestone in the recovery operation. Every day that Voyager 1 continues to function is a small miracle. NASA's heroic troubleshooting efforts will help scientists better understand interstellar space. The spacecraft won't last forever, but NASA hopes to keep at least one instrument running on both Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 until 2025. Even after the scientific instruments go offline, the probes could communicate with Earth for many years to come. There is always hope that the golden record, a phonograph record containing messages from Earth carried by Voyager, might one day be found by intelligent life beyond our solar system. Meanwhile, Voyager 1 will continue its mission as long as it can. Now I ask you, what other discoveries do you think Voyager 1's success could lead to? Share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more exciting space discoveries. See you in the next video. Goodbye.